hole.
Yes. Yep. Boom. Go back back.
Oh,
I don't know where that went.
hold that straight. Now, if you put the second you put your finger on that trigger.
Every time you squeeze the trigger, it'll be on the easier one.
Okay.
Just that first shot's just the only, that'll be the only one that's the hard.
Want me to try something real fast? So this part is up.
Did I shoot it? Or not? You can keep shooting.
Just keep.
See the group in the center?
Uh-huh.
You're the one right above that.
Okay, the one
So
up top.
just keep it pointed down right. That's all I care about.